I wish I had my cameraman here, but we are here at the house. There's the Integra. I did get that good. You know what I'm saying? Got that good. Focus it for you guys. Got that good. Yes, sir. There's one right here, Connor. Oh wait, oh yeah, look, it's open. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my goodness. It's in. Stupid. Yo, Alex. I know more about your house than you know. You're such a dumbass, bro. Why? How do you not know there was one right there, bro? I fucking hate you. Oil change done. Alright then. Did you even clean that shit? I have a bunch of these. Can you throw my gloves away? Actually, that was right too. Alright. You good, right, Connor? Alright, you take it out too, Mitchell?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Later.
See you, Connor, bro.